Hello and welcome to this MetaQuest Pro video, and this is going to be looking at Horizon Worlds. So let's see what this is like, and especially in the MetaQuest Pro, which has the face tracking and the eye tracking as well, which is obviously a big deal. Okay, so you can see my avatar there, opening my mouth, blinking right, was this map to the left, one on the counter, left, both. The left one I'm blinking, but it's kind of like a squinting. The right one's blinking more. It's strange, but ah. Okay, so that's all good. And let's see what we have in here. So we have a few different games. We can connect with people. We can look at different worlds. And we can even create our own stuff as well. We can create a party. First of all, see what we've got to play. So if I click play, so the featured games: Arena Clash, Retro Zombies, Island Action Sandbox. I want to go to the arcade to visit that. And one of the things you will notice is Horizon Worlds compared to the stuff, let's say Horizon Workroom, looks not as good, and that's because it's heavily online based. Go to this guy. Hello, hello, Soulful King. Hello, hi. You having a good day? Yeah, I find it works if you use your index. If you press your index finger in and your middle finger. So if you press both those buttons and do the thumbs up. That is strange. Not too sure about that. Oh, it seems to have frozen. See what this? Oh, Milwaukee disappeared. Can I jump? Yes. Let's have another go. Yeah, why the hell not? Yes, let's do Sniper Canyon. Okay. Wait, overall it's running smooth, which is good. Had a little chat with that guy. Those are thumbs ups. So I have to hold it in my left hand. Ah, it is what it is. Ready, zone? Yeah, I am ready. These are just more games. So I'm waiting here. What do we do? Game's a bit stupid. Don't even making it clear what to do. Then let me jump off. Haha. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the menu. So let's check out Hangout. See what's in here. The plaza. See what we can attend. See if there's any events running right now. Join event. Those actual. These are actual events. Okay, let's try that one. Don't look fun. The thing is, not everyone can tell if you've got a MetaQuest Pro or not, or you can't tell.